Okay. So what is the first step that I need to do? So I'm going to distribute the -6 to the -4, the -6 to the 3. So what is -6 times -4v? Okay. What is -6 times +3? So I'm going to write -18. I'm going to leave the inequality sign. Then I'm going to distribute the 2 onto the 10. And 2 times 3. So 2 times 10 is 20v. And 2 times 3 is +6. Now, what will I move? I always like to do this, and a lot of people would do this too. So what would I move? I'm going to move the 20 from the right-hand side to the left-hand side. It's positive, so I'm going to subtract it from both sides. (24v minus 20v is 4v minus 18 is less than or equal to +6. You guys, again, 20v and -20v, they are additive inverses, and that's why they equal 0. Now what would I do? So I'm going to add the 18. These cancel out. (6 + 18 is 24. So far, so good. And then we're going to divide by 4 because that's how you get rid of it. Now, do I need to change the inequality sign at the very end? Why not? Because we're dividing by a positive and not a negative. These are multiplicative inverses. V is going to be less than or equal to 6. Now, what we need to do is write it in set builder notation, and then we also need to graph it. So, set builder notation, the set of all numbers v such that v is less than or equal to 6. Today's lesson has been brought to you by the number 6, apparently. We've had a lot of 6s today, haven't we? We're going to put 6 in the middle, then 7, 8, 9, 5, 4, 3. Is it going to be an open circle or a closed circle? Closed. Okay, and what does that mean, closed? 6 can be a solution. Now, there was the one example we did where 6 couldn't be the solution. And now which way do I want to shade? Towards the 3 or towards the 9? Okay. So we're going to shade this way. And we're going to shade in that. Bless you. And that's our answer. So let's make sure. So we know we have an open circle, closed circle. Open circle means it doesn't include that number in your solution. A closed circle means it does. You also need to know that when you multiply or divide by a negative number, so you guys, when a negative number is either in front of the variable or underneath the variable, you're going to flip the inequality sign for your solution. You learned about set builder notation today, and you learned how to graph. What questions do you have?